Today we are going to start first chapter of business studies. That name is Nature and Significance of Management. In this chapter we are going to know about the modern concept of management, characters of management, objective of management, importance, then nature, level of management, feature, coordination. These all things, these all topics we will study in this chapter. But first, we are going to start with the introduction of management. Management is essential for all organization, big or small, profit earning or non-profit business, service or production business. Okay, beta, management is necessary so that individual may take their best effort toward group objective. The success of every business, the success of every business depend on the management. No organization can get success or work effectively without management. Management consists to a service of interrelation function that are performed by all manager. Manager have to plan the objective of the firm, organize resources, and appoint the person, then directing him for achieving his goal. Management is very important for the all type of business. If we are going for the definition of management, then management is the process by which we are managing all the resources and all the things which is running in the business or organization, by which we are trying to achieve the organizational goal. If we can going to describe in other way, so management is the process in which all the manager starting from the planning, then they are organize the different resources, then appointing the person and then manage that person, after that controlling and directing of this person and other resources for the achieving the organizational goal. Next, we are going for the modern concept of management. In modern definition, management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goal efficiently and effectively. In modern concept, they insist on some point. First is process. Process refers to the series of steps or basic function necessary to get things done. Management is a process because it refers series of function as like planning, then organizing, then staffing, then directing, and then controlling in a sequence. Next, achieving efficiently and effectiveness performance. Modern concept of management say that employee must be effective and as well as efficient. Effectiveness refers to complete the task in time and efficiency refers to optimum utilization of resources. Third, achievement of group, common or organizational goal. The modern concept of management insists that all the function of management must be directed to the achieve the organizational goal, and this same goal is goal of employee or group. Okay, this all is the definition and concept of management. In next video we are going for the next topic. Okay, thank you.